Hello everyone, this is Fazal Ur Rahman here from codebook.in. Hope you are enjoying my academic project videos. Today I brought you a project on load balancing algorithm in cloud computing. Okay, let us see what is the project step by step. This is a landing page of the project and what are the technologies and database which we are using in this project. Let me explain you about that first. This project is a web application, and for front-end technologies, it uses HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript. For backend programming, we are using Python here, and framework is the Django framework, which is the topmost framework in Python. Database, we are using MySQL here, and I have the code of the same project, which has a real-time cloud AWS. So I have used here AWS real-time cloud for the same project also. But this project I will show you in MySQL. Now, let us see what is the project flow. First of all, there are three different types of users interacting in this project. First is the cloud. Next is the task scheduler, who will schedule the tasks of the users. And third is the user. For better explanation and for better flow of the project, I'm going to open these three different users in three different tabs. Assume that the first tab is for cloud and the second tab is for task scheduler. Let me open it in new tab. Okay. And the third tab is for user. So this is for cloud. Second is for task scheduler. And the last one, third is the user. Now let's go to user and try to register a new user here. There you can see a link here. Click on that. And this is the registration page. Let's provide some details here. I'll provide some details. You have to provide here valid email ID and a valid mobile number because this project uses two different APIs. One is to send email and another is to send SMS. So I'm providing my mobile number here from DOB, location, profile picture. Let us select some profile picture here. Register. Now here registration to complete, we require OTP to be provided. I have received the OTP in my mobile phone. Let me check the OTP and provide in the application. It's 3561. Verify. Now it says account created successfully. So this is the way we perform the account activation or authorization of the user. Let's try to log in and check what is happening in the user dashboard. It says login successful now. So this is the user dashboard. In the user dashboard, we can see here some options like virtual machines, how many VMs, virtual machines are available for storing. There are two virtual machines are there in the cloud and uploaded files are 0 here. No files are there. Storage node is 0. Now, let's go to file upload. First of all, let's go to administrator here. Okay, which is nothing but cloud. Let's go to cloud and try to see what options, what actions a cloud user can perform. And a cloud server login is successful. You can see here, this is our dashboard of the cloud where total number of users is there, files uploaded, and total assigned files are there. Virtual machine 1, virtual machine 2, and virtual machine 3, 0. Now let's go to the option here, add virtual machine. But before that, let's go to manage virtual machine and see what's there. In manage virtual machines, you can see here two virtual machines are there. Virtual machine 1 with these attributes, virtual machine 2 with these attributes. Okay. And both the virtual machines are in off state. Okay, they are off because no request is being processed. So they are off idly. Now let's go to add and try to add the new virtual machine here. And the virtual machine name I'll provide here, virtual machine 3. Select operating system. Let's say this virtual machine is providing Windows operating system and it is STB. Storage 2 TB. 2 terabyte. RAM is 16 GB RAM. CPU is 2.24. Let's add this virtual machine. Add it successfully. Now, if we go to manage virtual machine, and you can see here, the virtual machine is added. This is the virtual machine. We can click on edit also. And if there are any changes, we can update from here. Now here, this virtual machine 3 is in pending state. Let's try to click on, and you can see it's on now, and virtual machine 3 is coming in green color. Okay, this is coming in green color because the state of the virtual machine is on, which means whatever the request will be received from now onwards, this virtual machine will be handled. Now, based on the capacity of this virtual machine, a cloud can switch on another virtual machine. Suppose the virtual machine 3 is having huge amount of requests, and the storage is full, and the RAM is also not up to the level. So cloud can on another virtual machine, like I'm doing here, virtual machine 2 on. Okay, let's click on off here because I want to make use of virtual machine 3 off. Now, let's go to user and try to, if I refresh here now, you can see here virtual machines 3 are there. Now, if I go to file upload, let's try to upload a file here. Some file name, file here. Let's upload the file. Upload file, uploaded successfully. Let's try to upload another file here. And let's see whether this is possible or not. I'll select a JPG file, upload file. Error, allowed file types are TXT, HTML, .py, Java, and JS. Only code, only textual data files are allowed here. Remaining files, you cannot upload it. Okay, this is the point. Now let's go to my files, and this is the file here. My profile, this is the my profile. Now the file has been, you can upload this, you can update profile information if you want. Any details you can update here. Now, under my files, you can see here, the file is available. Let's see in the cloud, if I go to task scheduling details, and there is an option here to view. You can see the metadata of that particular file. Let's go to now the third user. Let's move to third user, which is nothing but our task scheduler. Let's log in with this task scheduler. Login is successful, and this is the dashboard of the task scheduler, where we can see virtual machines, how many users are there, how many files are uploaded, how many tasks are there. Pending task is 1, assigned task is 1. Let's go to view task, and here these 2 tasks are available now. Okay, 2 tasks are available. Assigned task, here we have got virtual machine 3 is on, virtual machine 2 is on. Okay, virtual machine 1 is on. So the task, you can see, if I scroll right, you can see here, this task which has been given by this user is in pending. Okay, assigned task is this. Let's click on this VMID. Task assigned successfully. And if I go to assign task now, you can see this task is assigned. Virtual machine ID is 11. Okay. Now let's go to VM resources. I can see here there are 2 resources are available, and make span time is here 0.03 seconds for this file, and for this file 0.26 seconds. The difference between assigned time and uploaded time. Now let's go to cloud and check here task schedule details. Then the task is scheduled here. View. This is the metadata of that. And make span is, we have got here make span is this. And the my files, this is my file. So this was the simple project explanation about the cloud time, okay, task scheduler and the user. Hope you understood it very clearly. If you're having still any doubts or issues, you can get back to me or you can ping me on WhatsApp as well. With this, I conclude the project execution. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye for now.